The Ford Fiesta has been a favorite for many, right? But after it was discontinued, people started wondering, what could possibly replace the Ford Fiesta? Well, Ford has an answer: the Ford Puma. This compact crossover quickly rose to fill the gap left by the Fiesta, offering a mix of driving fun, practicality, and modern features that caught a lot of attention. But does the 2025 model live up to those high expectations? Let's dive in and take a closer look. The 2025 Ford Puma doesn't mess around when it comes to upgrades, especially in terms of technology. One of the standout features is the brand new 12-inch touchscreen display. Powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system, this screen is faster and more responsive, providing a much more user-friendly experience. Imagine this: it's quicker and easier to use, so tech-savvy drivers will definitely love it. However, there's one thing that might frustrate some people. The climate controls are now integrated into the touchscreen, which could be a hassle for drivers who prefer quick adjustments with physical buttons. One of the most noticeable changes in the 2025 Puma is the new 12.8-inch driver's display, replacing the smaller screens found in earlier models. With this larger screen, navigating through essential driving information becomes much smoother, and it gives a clearer view of critical data, making it easier for drivers to stay focused on the road. The steering wheel has also been updated. It might look a little unusual at first, but once you start driving, it feels comfortable and easy to handle. Now, even though the technology in the 2025 Puma is impressive, the interior materials haven't seen as many upgrades. For example, the dashboard and center console still use hard plastic, which some might feel lacks a premium touch. But don't worry, the Puma makes up for this with its incredible practicality. The trunk offers 456 liters of space for everyday needs, and when the rear seats are folded down, that expands to a generous 216 liters. Additionally, Ford has kept the clever Megabox storage compartment, which has a drain plug and is perfect for carrying wet or dirty items without worrying about messing up the interior. When it comes to exterior design, the changes in the 2025 Puma are more subtle, but still noticeable. The most visible update is the repositioning of the Ford logo, along with some new color and wheel options that make the look even fresher. Engine options are similar to previous models, with the 2025 Puma available with a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that delivers either 123 or 153 horsepower, depending on the version. Unfortunately, the more powerful 197 horsepower Puma ST has been discontinued, but don't worry, if you're looking for more performance, the ST PowerShift version offers 168 horsepower with a 7-speed automatic transmission.